Add compost to your largest pot until it's virtually full. Firm it down with your hands. Sit the next pot on the compost and begin to plant herbs around the edge. Use 5 herbs in the bottom layer. Repeat the process with the middle pot, followed by the one on top. Add 3 herbs in the middle layer and 1 on the top. Add a layer of horticultural grit to the surface of the compost. This will provide a smart finish and deter slugs. Water the pyramids gently, taking care not to splash liquid down the sides of the pots.